Today we clean up the outside and inside at the house edition. Welcome back to the house edition. So this morning I've got a framing inspection scheduled, and I talked to the inspector. He said he thinks he'll be here between 10 and 1. So while I'm waiting, I'm just going to load up the excess material that I have outside, all the framing lumber, and try to return that to the store this afternoon. So let's get started. So I've got two piles. One pile is all this longer lumber, and the other pile is all these 8-footers. I'm going to start with these. So just to be safe, I'm going to put a ratchet strap on this, just to make sure it doesn't shift or move while I'm driving. There we go. Okay. That's not moving anywhere. Okay, I've been here for so long, I've accumulated such a pile of tools. I'm going to go ahead and go through these and put a lot of them back in my truck. At this point, if I need something, I can just pull it out. Okay, now we get ready to wait. Well, we don't get ready, we just wait. So I just met with the inspector, and we passed the inspection. So the only thing he wants me to change is the 1x2 that I padded down the ceiling with. He said he'd prefer to see 1x4, so that's not too bad. I can take these down, and I can get 1x4 in long lengths, so it'll be easy to put up. So other than that, I'm going to screw it up. So I think that'll be easier, and it won't be as prone to splitting as it does with the nails. So I'll just go ahead and knock that out on Thursday. But tomorrow, I'm going to have the company come in that'll do the installation. it's just so foolish to do it yourself, because their price for them to install it is the same price as me to go to the store and buy the material. So they'll do the walls and they'll do the floor. And the only thing I'll have to do is, once they put the insulation in the floor, I'll come behind them in the 2 bays where the ducts are, and I'll put foam board in there. And that way, everything will be ready for the inspection on Friday. So, other than that, I'm going to try to do the window, which just came in yesterday. I'm going to go and try to pick that up today after I return all this lumber. And once we get the window in, if we have time, we'll try to do the door, which they have that on the shelf. So I'm just going to go over there and confirm that they still have it at the one closest to me. And then tomorrow we'll get the window in, and we'll go pick the door up, and we can toss that in as well. So at that point, the only thing I'll need to do is the 1x4 swap on the ceiling. I hope you'll join me in the next clip, where we get some insulation and probably a window and a door. I'll see you then.